Hi friend, welcome back to Healthy Grocery Girl. January and the new year is a really great time to explore our wellness habits and make intentions for the new year. And in the new year, I am always inspired to try some new recipes and add some new recipes to my routine. And speaking of new recipes, I'm excited to share with you that I have developed 5 brand new recipes for the new Tone It Up meal plan. If you're not familiar with Tone It Up, they are a wonderful fitness and nutrition company for women, by women. I have personally been loving their app for workouts for years, and I'm so honored to have contributed 5 new recipes to their new meal plan, which include a delicious and immune-supporting golden ginger smoothie, a rich and protein-packed Nutty Chocolate Chia Smoothie, these flavorful chocolate chickpea bites. You're going to want to make these, they're so delicious. I'm also obsessed with these Very Veggie Muffins, and last but not least are these carrot cake bites, which are great for a snack between meals. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the carrot cake bites. To make this recipe, you will need carrots, oats, walnuts, cashew butter, unsweetened shredded coconut, cinnamon and ginger, water, and Tone It Up's vanilla plant-based protein powder. First, add the carrots and oats into a food processor and pulse together. Then add all the remaining ingredients and pulse together to form a sticky batter. This is what it will look like. Scoop out approximately 2 tablespoons of sticky batter at a time and roll into balls or these little bites. Then you're going to roll the bites into more shredded coconut and place in an airtight container. Place these bites in the freezer to set for 1 to 2 hours, and then you can keep them stored in the fridge or the freezer. This recipe and so many more are in the new Tone It Up meal plan. Here are some other great features about the new January Tone It Up meal plan. The January Challenge recipe book includes 29 healthy, quick, and easy recipes created by 6 incredible nutritionists designed to help you feel energized, strong, fit, and nourished. They're all TIU approved and made with whole, clean, nutrient-packed ingredients and are, of course, delicious. In this book, you'll find new smoothies, muffins, protein bites, overnight oats, and so much more. Also included are pages to plan your grocery list and a calendar feature to meal plan for your week in advance. I'll be cooking my way through the new meal plan all January long, and I hope that you'll join me. For more information on the new Tone It Up meal plan, head to toneitup.com, and there's more information below in the video description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'm wishing you a happy and a healthy day, and I will see you in the next video.